cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey! Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jody Cooking. Cooking, delicious cooking. Jody Cooking, straight from the kitchen.